Here we go. High speed continuous. That's insane. Hey guys, my name is Wil Calabio, also known as It Is Will, and I'm a Canon shooter, shooting with the Canon R6 Mark II today. So I'm really excited to use it. I'm excited to go through all the new features that it has and basically give you my first impressions while shooting with it. I'm going to shoot through some urban environments, get some portraits, and later on we'll head to some other locations and see what we can do with it. Oh, this looks sick. All right, let's try to do some, this is like full body, so it's going to be wide. Yeah, this is sick. So I'm shooting at 15mm right now. Typically you don't shoot 15mm for portraits, but because of this nice architecture on this light here, it looks really nice. Just gonna flip this out so we can see the shots a little better. Yeah, these are cool. I'll show you what they look like here. That's actually really cool.
Oh, I like that lighting.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
I'm going to try and do some 4K shots of you, right? But it's going to be in slow-mo because this camera has 4K 60. So we're going to try some of the slow-mo on Jay while she's posing and stuff and see if we can get some cool clips that just test out the quality of the video on this camera. I think we've finished the shoot. It's too easy with this camera. We're done. We don't need to take any more photos. Okay, so I've just put on the 7200. We're going to use a telephoto lens to try and get Jale here in the background. And then we can also test out the 40 Fps Electronic Shutter because I don't think we're going to be able to miss a shot when we use that. So let's do it. Start at the pillar behind you and then walk to where you are now. Yeah. That shutter is insane. Took like 100 photos just then. I'm going to do basically the exact same thing, except we're going to test out the 4K 60 now, so I'll get some nice slow-mo for you. Just tracking her eye from here. This is pretty good. All right, yep. So while you were walking, it had a little square over your eye, and it was, yeah.
That's so cool.
Quite insane.
Ooh.
All right, so we're here in one of Sydney's famous gardens and we're gonna test some more of the features on this camera. Keen to use it some more. And also I wanna do the 180 frames per second slow-mo video so we can see if we can get some good smooth video here in the nature environments. But yeah, this is really nice. Okay, maybe keep your hands straight, sort of thing, like that, yeah, perfect. Yeah, these look really good. Yeah, that looks really nice. The autofocus just makes it really easy to like take photos because it just recognizes your face. Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that. It's so nice.
That's so pretty.
Yeah. We're going to try and use this pathway here because it's more leading lines and hopefully we can get maybe her walking, something like that, make use of that high shutter. So we're going to change the shutter mode from mechanical to electronic. Yep, ready when you are. Jesus. So it makes it easy that Canon have included this switch here, so I can switch from photo to video really easily. So I'm just changing it to, here we go, 180 frames per second. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk backwards like this. Yeah? Okay, ready, set, go.
Whoa.
Look how slow it is. Oh, it's so smooth.
That's so pretty.
The in-body stabilization of this camera is doing very well, so. All right, got a really nice reflection of warm light bouncing off these windows here onto Jale, and it's creating some nice portraits. Let's see if we can get actually the harbour in it. Yeah, that's really nice. Even though we have this harsh sunlight on her face and then it sort of gets darker in the background, the dynamic range of this camera is picking up really well and it's be able to show the shadows and the highlights. Good on you, Canon. Good on you. Okay, so we just made it to another location. Have even nicer harbor view here with the blue hour. So actually we're gonna test out the low light of this camera with a 24 megapixel sensor. And we can bump that ISO up to 102,400 ISO. So we'll see how that does in the low light conditions. Let's do it. Yeah, those are cool, looking that way. Get some landscape ones, they look really cool. We're on about 10,000 ISO, so it's pretty high right now. It looks pretty clean on the LCD screen. I can't see any grain at all. And that wraps up the shoot. This camera was a great experience and I can definitely see it being used for social media creators as well as commercial photographers and videographers. It provides some pretty impressive upgrades from the original R6, such as the 24.2 megapixel sensor from the original 20 megapixel sensor, the 4K video that's now oversampled from 6K with also no record limit or crop factor, its ability to record 3 to 5 seconds before you press any buttons, the new generation multifunction shoe, the versatility to use it for live streaming, and of course its insanely doubled 40 frames per second electronic shutter. Basically what I'm saying is, I need this camera. But nonetheless, thank you for tagging along my first impressions using the Canon R6 Mark II. Enjoy.